We are on our way back after finishing a crazy trek, a phenomenal experience. Definitely really grilling. This has to be one of the finest treks which I've ever done personally.
Still trekking, quite tiring, but I guess it was all worth it at the end. We've got some wonderful images thanks to our Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G, which we believe is the best camera phone that you can buy right now with your money.
When we say that the consistency is across all the lenses, we really mean it. We have captured different content with our ultra-wide lens, with our wide lens and the telephoto lens. And you guys will be amazed with the content that it can produce.
There's not just consistency across the resolution, since all three cameras have 50 megapixels of resolution, but you also get consistency in terms of image quality, where this provides the best possible image quality on any smartphone currently. You have color science consistency, where all the photos look consistent regardless of which camera that you use to capture the photo. You have incredible dynamic range as well, regardless of whether you capture with the ultra wide, the wide or telephoto camera. You also have incredibly good focal lengths, with the ultra-wide angle camera carrying a 14mm focal length that is wide enough to create dramatic looking perspectives. You have a wide angle camera with 24mm focal length that creates great looking photos regardless of what condition you're in. And you also have a beautiful 48mm focal length for the telephoto that is perfect for all those portraits and human shots. Now, regardless of whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, regardless of which camera you shoot with, the output is consistent and maintained across all three cameras, be it the incredible sharpness and detail across the output or in terms of photos and videos. With Xiaomi Pro Focus, the objective has always been to make sure that every image that you capture is perfect and always in focus. And that's exactly what we have been able to do with Xiaomi Pro Focus, which consists of motion tracking focus, motion capture, and eye tracking focus. Motion tracking focus ensures that regardless of where your subject is in the frame, it's constantly being tracked and kept in focus, while motion capture ensures that two of the problems that plague most flagship smartphones, which is motion blur and out of focus images, don't really happen, thanks to its clever computation that captures 10 images at any given instance and combines it together to create a blur-free image. Lastly, you have eye tracking focus, which is great for portraits involving humans or animals, which ensures that the eyes are always kept in focus, especially considering that this is the optimal focal point for most photos when you want to capture the true essence of human emotion. Add to this the night mode, which is present across all four cameras of the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Yes, even the front camera, the telephoto camera and ultra-wide angle camera also has night mode. And we also have an ultra night mode, which helps you push the boundaries of the smartphone in low light conditions, be it in night photography, artificial lighting conditions, or practically dark or no light situations. With the hardware optimization and software computation, you get images which have low noise and great clarity. Add to that incredible detail, excellent dynamic range and color science across all the different camera lenses as well. All this and more ensures that the Xiaomi 12 Pro provides you the most premium experience and the best experience when it comes to the cameras on any flagship smartphone currently. This essentially becomes the only smartphone that you need to carry, or rather, the only camera that you need, regardless of where you're going or what sort of situation that you encounter, ensuring that you capture the perfect photo with each and every click.